Have you noticed that the more we care about something, the more likely it is to be questioned, ridiculed, and obstructed? A dream isn't just a dream. It's more like a flag. Raise it, and you attract storms and challenges. But if you don't raise it, you won't even know where the wind is blowing from. So, if you have a dream, it's not about telling others about it. It's not about expecting others to understand it, but rather, defending it. Even if the world doesn't support you, you must support yourself. Even if everyone says it's impossible, you must say, I'll decide after I've tried. Many people misunderstand Taoism. They think inaction means doing nothing. They think going with the flow means waiting for opportunities. They think not competing means giving up. They're wrong. True non-competition means not competing with meaningless resistance, but competing with your own destiny. Chuangzi said, My love is limited, but knowledge is unlimited. You don't have time to waste your youth on hesitation. You don't have time to painstakingly explain what you want to do. The Tao is meant to be what? Not explained. Whoever you want to become, go and become that person. Whatever you want to accomplish, go and do it. All explanations are superfluous. Don't beg others to understand your dream. Only those who understand you are qualified to work with you. But what if they don't understand? Then you take the first step alone. The Great Tao is simple. It only divides people into two kinds: those who dare to do, and those who don't. So what if others say you can't? A mountain doesn't explain its height, and the wind doesn't explain its direction. You only need to do one thing: protect the person you want to become, not the person you are today, but the person in your dreams. The stronger, more courageous, and unwavering you. Taoism speaks of going with the flow, but not conforming to the oppression of reality, but rather following the call of your inner self. Water doesn't compete, but it can walk away storm. Wind is formless, but it can overturn seas and rivers. Why are you afraid? Because you can see the result. But Taoism has already told you, the result isn't something you wait for, it's something you force into existence. You must be like water, flowing even without obstacles, bending when necessary, and surging forward when needed. Go with the flow, not by giving up, but by creating your own momentum. Want success? You must endure loneliness. Want to fly high? You must accept stronger winds. Are people mocking you, doubting you, denying you? That's good. It means what you're doing is something ordinary people can understand. You don't need to explain, nor do you need to praise anyone, because all achievements are defended through perseverance. Do you want a future? Then you must pay the price now. Do you want to change your destiny? Then you must endure all the unfairness. Those who defend their dreams are not gentle people, but those who are ruthless enough to persevere, walk alone, endure, and break through. No one will defend you. You can only fight for yourself. The true path is not about escaping life, but about making you stronger, strong enough to bear everything you desire. So remember, dreams are not for wishing, they are for defending. Life is not about luck, but about forcing your way through with effort. If you have a dream, don't talk about it. Don't wait. Don't explain. Go defend it. Go act on it. Go realize it. When you truly take that step, the world will make way for you. Just like the wind rises from the slightest ripple, and thunder rumbles in silence, your quiet efforts will surely shake the world.